You have to do something that you love right now. Or if you are not doing something that you love, you have to do one thing na gusto mo talaga. Positive Day, Giniverse. This is Dr. Gigi Disunga from My Game Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga Giniverse natin. And this is the first time po tayo panood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. And sa lahat ng mga gusto magpa-code sa atin, or if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, and if you want to join my team, IMG Rockstar Team for your financial education and investment opportunity, just PM me sa personal FB. Nandiyan na po sa paligid. Alright, so gusto ko na lahat magpasalamat kasi this past few 2 weeks na siguro, dumadami na uli yung mga views namin. Nagbalik na kayo, maraming salamat. And sa mga new subscribers natin, thank you very much. Hindi ko kayo alam kung sino po kayo, hindi ko kayo may isa-isa, pero from my heart, alam ko, dumadami kayo. So, thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Alright? Okay, so ngayon, pag-usapan natin, kasi September na eh. So, pwede mo ba akong kumanta? Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him be the one to guide us as another new start. And may hindi ko na lyrics, pero Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa lahat mga Gilibers. Kung nasan ka man ngayon dito sa Pilipinas o sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo, don't worry, by December magkakaroon tayo ng mini parang song, something, concert or marunong po ako mag-guitar. Sa mga nagtatanong, Dok, marunong ka pa talaga? Yes, marunong tayo mag-guitar. I try to do that. Tapos mag-aaral tayo ng drums para sa inyo. This Christmas, yan. Let's sing Merry Christmas, yan. Alright, so speaking of Christmas, alam mo ba, dahil ngayon September 1, ibig sabihin, binigyan tayo ni Lord ng isa pang chance para humabol sa mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. May time pa tayo. May chance pa tayo. Kapatid, so kung ano may gusto mo pang gawin sa buhay mo, meron pa tayong chance. Meron pa tayong time. Alam mo kanina, I went to the other social media platform, TikTok. So nakita ko doon yung may isang flight attendant, napapasok na siya. So, siguro yung, alam ko yung nararamdaman ko doon sa video niya, parang worry siya and all, pero yung nandun sa tagline niya, ito yung kanta niya, kakanta ulit ako sino, this is my now, and I'm waiting for the moment, parang gano'n, this is my now, itong lyrics niya and I'm breathing at the moment. This is our time. Binigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng chance, ng time, okay? So, this is your now. Hindi yan now ng kapitbahay mo. Hindi yan now ng ibang tao sa paligid mo. Your own self. This is your now. Embrace mo yung ngayon mo. Okay? You treasure your time right now. Right? Okay? So, una-una, may chance pa tayo. Number 1, may chance pa tayo to do the thing that you really love to do. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin, kapatid? You do it right now. Sabi nung isang speaker, you have to do something that you love right now. Or if you are not doing something that you love, you have to do one thing na gusto mo talaga. So, simple lang ang mensahe natin ngayong morning. Simple lang yung vlog natin. Ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon na gusto mo? Na masaya ka, and you're so excited about it, and you are willing to sacrifice one thing. Dok, wala pa eh. Hirap lahat, sacrifice talaga. So, kung wala kang ginagawa ngayon na gusto mo, you have to find one thing na gusto mo talaga. Kahit ano yan. Kahit hindi siya magbibigay sa'yo ng income, kahit na hindi siya magiging source of income mo, kahit medyo may expenses ka ng konti, you do it. This is your now. May chance ka pa gawin ang gusto mo talaga. If you want to do vlogging, so do it. I don't care kung ano sasabihin. Don't care about the things mga bagay na sasabihin na ibang tao. If you want to write, you write. If you want to dance, you dance. If you want to do TikTok, you do TikTok. If you want to paint your room ng kulay blue, red, orange, yellow, parang rainbow, you do it. Something that you love. Kung gusto mo yung kotse na kulay pink, kaibang kulay, do that. Something that will make you, that you love to do. You love to see it. You love to, alam mo yung gusto mo siyang gawin talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Kung gusto mo nakikita, bahala ka. Okay? Basta, meron ka pang chance ngayon. Meron ka pang meron ka pang now na binigay ni Lord to do what you want. Okay? Next po, second, meron ka pang time, meron ka pang chance to love one person. Love one person. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung definition natin ng love, pero for me, for the sake of our discussion ngayon, ito yung someone that you will give care. Yung bibigyan mo siya ng care. Gagawin mo siya inspiration. Love is a beautiful thing na naiyak si Lord. Kasi ako nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tao na they gave me an opportunity para mahalin sila. Naiyak ako. Kahit sino yan, kahit ano yan, kahit family mo, kapitbahay mo, kahit crush mo, kahit sino, do not miss the point that you love someone. Okay? Naiyak ako si Lord. Wala lang kasi, sige, basta you love someone, di ba? Basta may mahalin ka na may magtatanggap tong love mo. Kahit hindi ma-reciprocate, kahit na hindi mapalitan, basta you love someone. Para magkaroon ng extra or more meaning yung buhay mo. Basta you love, kung single ka, kung married ka, nandiyan yung wife mo, husband mo, you love more. Kung single ka naman, love someone na gawin mo lang siya inspiration. Basta something like, you love, basta magmahal ka, you love. Okay? May time pa tayo, may chance pa tayo. Naiyak si Dong kasi doon sa mga taong binibigyan ko ng care, ng concern, they're accepting it. Thank you very much. Marami yan. And there are people na they allowed me to love them. Thank you so much. Kasi meron ako na pagbibigyan ng that beautiful thing. Because love is a beautiful thing na habang nabubuhay tayo, you have to experience it. You have to show it to someone. Okay, number 3. Naririnig ba ito? Hindi naman. Diba? Number 3 po. Number 3. Sorry po Okay. Now, meron ka pang chance. So, do not quit. Don't quit. Sabi ko nga po sa isa, kung napanood nyo sa vlog, stopping is not an option. So, do not quit. Huwag po tayo mag-quit sa isang bagay na gusto mo. Meron ka pang chance to do that. Na ipakipaglaban yung gusto mong dream, yung gusto mong career, gusto mong business, yung gusto mong product. Kung ano yung gusto mo, may chance pa tayo. This is your now. And God gave you a chance para ipaglaban yung gusto mo. Kanina while I was driving, everyday, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon kasi hindi ko kasi ma-imagine na I can drive. Yun yung first point, na makakaya ko mag-drive. And I cannot imagine na I'll be driving my own car. And I cannot imagine na I'll be in this office, this beautiful office. And I cannot imagine that I have Raster Holding Corporation. I'm the CEO. I have Raster Beauty. I have my YouTube channel. And I have my team. I cannot imagine all God's blessings to me. And I have people around me who cares for me. I cannot imagine that. So, had I quit or had I stopped, I cannot have this right now. So, binigyan ako ng opportunity ni Lord to do yung gusto ko talaga. Ito yung sinasabi natin na ipakipaglaban mo yung buhay na gusto mo. So, ano ba yung gusto mo, kapatid? Meron pa tayong chance. Meron ka pang time. Yung, like ko na itong nababanggit, pero ulitin ko siya, fight for the life that you want. Fight for your own definition of life. Your own definition of freedom. Ipakipaglaban mo yun. I-drawing mo siya, tapos fight for that. Hindi yan, yung buhay na gusto natin, yung pangarap mo, hindi po yan, sabi yun, hindi siya madaling makuha. So you really have to fight for it. May times na iyak ka, may times na parang hindi mo na siya kayang maabot, pero do that stuff. Okay? Sorry So do not quit. Huwag kang mag-quit dun sa gusto mo. Maybe OFW ka ngayon, parang naisip mo, Lord, maybe naisip mo na, Dok, hindi ko naman makuha tayong pangarap ko. Kaya pa yan, okay? Do not stop. Just stay. Alam niyo lahat ng nagtagumpay sa buhay, ito yung mga tao nag-stay. Short. Sila yung mga tao nag-stay. So mag-stay ka dyan sa pangarap, sa gusto mo. Kasi pag umi-stop ka, tumalikod ka, wala na talaga. You close the door of your dreams pag nag-stop ka. So do not stop, okay? Do not quit. You still have time. You have your now. This is your now, right? To do the things that you want. Make a decision right now. Make a list. Make something. Do something na dadalhin ka doon sa pangarap mo, right? And ito. Next po is, you have the chance right now. Meron pa tayong time to write new goals. New things na gusto mong mangyari. For example, Dok, natupad na yung first batch na gusto ko. For example, right now, ako, natupad na yung first batch na gusto ko. Ito na siya eh. So I'm writing new goals now. This time for my family, this time for my team, this time for the company. Yun na yun. Yun na yung iba ko naiisip. Kasi I'm okay. I'm fine with my life right now. So, you write new goals. Maybe natupad mo na isang mong pangarap. Dok, nagkabahay na kami. You write new goals para sa iba. For a better life. Or maybe, Dok, nakuha ko na yung dream investment ko. You dream again. Write new goals. Lagi kami new goals because God is still giving you time for more meaningful things sa buhay natin. Right? And, yun, last. May chance pa tayo to be happy. May chance pa tayo na maging masaya sa buhay. At kahapon, kagabi ay inulit ko yung hope and happy moment namin, ng team ko. And inopen ko yun for others. Kahit hindi ka member ng team ko, you want to join my free webinar, ginagawa ko po yun for all. Para sa atin, para maging masaya tayo. This is just my contribution para sa iba. So, may chance pa tayo maging masaya. Kung di ka masaya ngayon, wake up. Di ba? You wake up, ayusin mo yung sarili mo, gumawa ka ng iba-ibang bagay para maging masaya ka. Change your place, change your career, change the people around you. Kung anong kailangan baguhin para maging masaya ka. That's your life. This is your life. And this is your now. Buhay mo yan eh. Kailangan maging masaya ka. Okay? And kailangan, yung now mo, yung gamitin mo para maging masaya. Huwag mo nang hintayin na sa November na ako masaya. Next year na ako sasaya. Hindi ngayon, kapatid. Because this is your now. Binigyan ka pang time ni Lord para maging masaya. Okay? Hindi ka masaya ngayon, believers. You pray, sabi mo, Lord, gawin mo naman ako masaya for the rest of my life. Ilang taon ka nang di masaya? Ilang taon ka na ba ngayon? Hindi ka pa rin naging masaya sa buhay. You can be happy, right? This is your now. This is your moment. Binigyan ko ng chance, Lord. Right? So, believers, pasensya na. Ito kasi yung vlog na to, para lang sa atin. Gusto ko i-appreciate natin yung now natin ngayon. I-appreciate natin yung blessings ni Lord. And to start something new in our life. Para binigyan pa tayong chance eh. Meron ka pang time. May chance ka pa for these things in your life. Right? Maraming salamat. Thank you. Let's go. Kantahan po ulit kayo. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Let's go.